welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my little world on the internet. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this two-bun crochet back hairstyle. Still not sure what to call it, but as you can see, I'm slaying today. So I've missed you guys so much. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I've got so much content that I'm hoping you guys are going to love and enjoy watching. If you recreate these styles, please do follow me on Instagram and hashtag MiriamFroTalk. If you use that hashtag, I will see you guys' hairstyles and videos and whatever it is that you recreate. Please guys, let's share, let's chat. If you guys want to talk to me about hair on social, be sure to check me out. It's New Kid on the Block on Instagram. Follow me and let's get into my personal life. I'm inviting you over to watch me on a daily and just get to know me. Okay? Alrighty guys, do enjoy the video. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. I don't know if I'm going to spritz my hair with my coconut milk and water DIY spritzer just to add moisture back into my hair before I protective style. I'm not going to go in with my Palmer's coconut oil based hair milk to moisturize my hair again. And then when it comes to sectioning your hair, you're going to take a rat-tailed comb and you're going to section from one ear to the next. Try your best to make the line as straight as possible. I'm not going to follow that by using my scrunchies or my hair ties to section the back of my hair. I'm sectioning it into two parts because my hair is shorter, but if your hair is long, just section it into like one part. It's just to get the hair out of the way in the meantime. I'm now going to go back in with my rat-tailed comb and part my hair into a deep side part on both sides of my head. After I've done that, I'm now going to go in and detangle on that side because it felt a little bit tangled, and I'm going to go in with my kinky braid. You can use any type of kinky or textured braid. You could even just use canacolone hair, but if you want the style to look really nice, I would suggest going in with a kinky braid. So any kinky braid, it can be Mali hair, it can be anything at all. I'm now going to follow that by sectioning my hair and going in with the braid itself because I want my braided lines to be a tad bit thicker than my cornrows if I was to just use my hair. So when it comes to cornrowing with braids, it's just a matter of adding the braid after you've gone past your hairline so that you don't put too much tension along your hairline. If you guys would like a braiding tutorial, then that would be cool. I can do that. Just let me know. In this video though, I'm just going to be showing you the style itself and not necessarily a braiding tutorial because I don't think I'm in that position yet. And once you're done braiding the front of your hair, you're now going to section the back part of your hair. You can section it going down or sideways. I decided to do it sideways, which is why my lines are so freaking crooked. And one of the reasons for that is because I find that if you braid the back of your hair in sideways as opposed to going down, once you start crocheting your hair in, you don't have gaps left at the back, and that's what I really want. I want it to look full and I want it to look like my hair. I don't want people to be able to see to my scalp, which is what I normally see happening when you braid downward. When it comes to braiding the back of your head, it's going to be covered with your kinky hair anyway, so you don't have to really worry about how straight the lines are. Of course you can make it better than me because those are so not neat. However, I wasn't really worried about how neat they were going to look. It's just a way to protective style my hair, get my hands all my ends covered, and there you go. When it comes to braiding your hair, I'm just going to show you guys a close-up of how I was joining those sections. Just braid all the way to the end, and then as you start your next cornrow line, you just use the braided part of your hair as the starting point, and you continue to cornrow in threes. You can do a flat twist if your flat twist is strong enough. It's just a way to get your hair protected and your ends, you know, neatened out and protected while in winter. When it comes to crocheting your hair, I would say when you start crocheting, please leave about a finger width distance in between your crochet braids so that they don't end up tangling. And also this makes sure that you don't use way too much hair. I used about a packet of my kinky hair, so I think buying 1.5 packets would be so much better in the start. As you're going, before you do the rest of your head, you leave that 1 finger distance between your crochets. This helps you determine how much hair you're going to use, and the great thing about this is you can always go back and fill in the gaps should you have any. And this is all I'm doing. I'm just going to go in, you put your crochet through, you hook your hair at the end of the crochet, close the crochet, and then flip it through. And you do that over and over and over again until you've crocheted the rest of your hair. So it's that simple. You put your crochet through your cornrow, you hook your hair, you close the latch, and then you pull it through and you fasten. When it comes to the front, I'm just going to braid the top and just to the ends, and then I'm going to add some crocheted hair that I haven't cut. When I was crocheting the back of my head, I cut my hair, and now I'm just going to twist that together in order to create a bun. So I just use 3 braids, I loop them into my front, I pull one end through, and then that gives me enough. It's just to have volume for your bun. If your bun is big enough, or if you have long hair, you might not need to add textured hair to your bun. And then there you have it, you have your bun. I'm now going to just follow that by using a gel on my edges. I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel, and just to lay my edges and to neaten out the look. As you can see, I haven't perfected my braiding style, so the gel helps just neaten that out and make sure that if there are any hairs that I couldn't touch or pull into the cornrow, they're all fastened and they look neat and sexy. So yeah, it's that simple. Then you go in with a brush or a toothbrush, just neaten up your edges, and guys, there you go, you have your protective style. This hairstyle can last up to about a week and a half before the cornrows start looking whack. And then now just tie that down, and in the meantime moisturize your textured hair the same way that you would moisturize your own hair. I'm just going to spritz it with water and follow that by adding a little bit of my coconut milk and my hair, and that's how you actually maintain the hair during the style.
It's the Rebirth. Lego. Original.
I've got my fingers crossed, and I hope that you guys did enjoy the video. I hope that you guys find the tutorial very useful for the next time that you want to recreate this look. Should you recreate the look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. You can tag me on Twitter, Facebook, wherever you at. And if you get bored during the week, holla at me on social. Let's just, you know, chat. So my Instagram is going to be right here. It's New Kid on the blog on Instagram, or Miriam Maulana, guys, you know me. Anyways guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining me, and to all the newbies, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become a part of our family. I love you. Mwah. Don't be one of those people that comes here all the time and does not subscribe to the channel. And also don't just subscribe, also comment down below, like what's up. Videos right here for you guys to watch and subscribe. Watch and subscribe. Mwah.